Over here, I'm at our other facility, which is called Avionics Structures of Indiana, ASI for short. We build fire trucks, stainless steel fire truck bumpers. We are the largest stainless steel fire truck bumper manufacturer in the United States. Service all the main ones: Pierce Manufacturing, Spartan Motors, E1, just to name a few. The way the process starts, we start them at our 34th Street facility. Over there, all the holes are put in. We bend up the sides, and then we send them over here. Once we're over here, we send them to the first operation, which is an in-wrap, which goes through and makes the tail of the bumper. After that, some of them have saw operations, so we do have some saws. And then we have grinding, where we do grind out all the pits, everything. Some of them do get welded, so we do have a weld shop, one weld booth over here, where we put in boxes and things like that for lights. After all that is done, we send it to our polish shop, which is kind of where the magic happens, to get that shine that you see on the front of a fire truck bumper. After that, we send it up here. With this being such a highly cosmetic part, we have a very intense pack out procedure. They're all shipped in big crates, and we use PVC and Star Net. So over here, we're bringing out that polish, we're cleaning them up, and then making sure they're going to get to the customer safely.